my channel. I've got a bit of a different setup going on right now. I'm trying to figure out what's going to be right for the... Is that okay? Yeah, I feel like that's good. So basically I've got all my outfits hanging here that I'm gonna shoot in a bit, so that's why they're all there, but that's not what you care about. Today I am filming a review and unboxing of the Doc Martens Blaire Sandals, the Blaire Sandals. So last year I picked up the Doc Marten Boss Sandals and I made a video about those and it went down really, really well. And I have been basically I wore those all that summer and I now have got them out. Now it's obviously summer again here. Obviously we're not really leaving the house, but I'm still wearing those loads and I absolutely love them. They are the most comfortable things. I love them. So I thought this year I would pick up another pair because I loved my last one so much. So I feel like there's something I'm gonna love. So this year I decided to pick up the Blaire sandal, which is these gorgeous things. So I decided to go for a different colour because I've got my Voss sandals in black. So I decided I didn't want another black Doc Marten sandal because that felt completely unnecessary, as if it's not unnecessary enough already that I have 2 pairs of Doc Marten sandals. But I went for the pink Blaire sandals and these are the lemonade pink colourway. These also come in a like mint blue. I'm sure it's got a different name than mint blue, like a mint blue colour and a black as well. So these are like the cheaper side of the Doc Marten sandals. These are £89 on the Doc Marten website, so probably the same on ASOS and everything as well. I will leave the link down below if you want to buy them for yourself. It's an affiliate link, so it does mean if you purchase through my link I get a small amount of commission, which means a load to the channel. So if you are going to pick them up, I would love if you could do it through the link, but no pressure of course. Doesn't affect your shopping experience, but no pressure to buy through the link. Anyway, so yeah, they are the kind of plasticky sole version. So I know you can get the Doc Marten sandals, which are a bit more almost substantial. They're like more like the material that the Doc boots are made from, but these are the more kind of plasticky ones. However, the uppers and all the like these bits are all leather. What I liked about these that the Vosses don't have is that they do have like the iconic yellow string around the edges, which I love, and I feel like it's so obvious they're a Doc Marten sandal with that as well. And also it's got the air wizard thing on it as well. I think that's, I've always thought that's what it said. Does it not say that? Air something, airwear. It's airwear. It does not say air wizard. But he's got that like tag on the back as well, which the Vosses don't have. And I like all the little like Doc Marten detailings that these have. And then obviously it says Doc Marten on the inside as well. Said these were £89. And I picked them up in a size 4, which is my normal size. It's the same size as I wear in my Doc Marten boots and the same size as I've got in my Voss sandals. I know a lot of people do recommend sizing down in Doc Marten sandals. So I don't like it when my foot fits like fully in the sandal. Like I want a little bit of room at the end because like when you slide forward and stuff, but there is like give at the end of these, so I maybe could have got, I could get away with wearing a 3 in these, but I do prefer having a 4. But obviously total preference for you. Obviously we can't try them on at the moment, but there is return policies on the Doc Marten website, ASOS website and everything, so you can return them if you do buy them. But I've been fine with true to size, so I would recommend true to size, and that was a big question in my previous video. So yeah, like I said in all my videos, if you've got any questions about these sandals or anything else, do drop it in the comments below. I'm now going to show you how I'm going to be styling these sandals, as I thought that would be a cool way to make this video a bit more interesting, and also gives me a chance to like play with clothes, which is like my favourite thing ever. So all these clothes are old, so I don't think I'm gonna have like exact links to where to get them, but I'll find like similar links, and also I'll kind of, that's my Bluetooth speaker going off, I will and talk about the looks in terms of like a style rather than this exact piece is what you should wear with them, if that makes sense. Let's get into it. So this was my first outfit choice. It's going to be showing somewhere on the screen me wearing it as well. But I think these chunky sandals look so cute with like baby doll dresses. This one is an old piece from Villa at ASOS. But it's just like a kind of ruffly gingham layered dress. I love this dress so much. I've decided to pair it with this Vivienne Westwood pearl necklace. This is like a family heirloom pearl necklace. And then these vintage Chloe sandals. Sunglasses. I just think that's a really cute, like proper like baby doll cute look. And I feel like there are loads of like basically like a cutesy girly baby doll dress, especially because these are like bright pink as well. I just think the pink on pink on pink is going to be such a vibe. But I do think chunky sandals and baby doll dresses is a dream. So my second look is pairing it with a pair of shorts or long denim depending on the weather, and then I've picked like this little crop top to go with that as well. So the shorts are just Primark, like an old Primark pair. I'm going to pair it with vintage Chanel sunglasses and these really cool earrings. These are just Elle jewellery. I'm going to leave her link down below, but they're like handmade, amazing earrings. And I feel like that will go with like really well with like the detail on the belt. So yeah, the shorts, and then on top of that, pairing it with this top from Buddha. So it's just like a wraparound crop top. This is Buddha, which is a really cool sustainable brand based in Bali. I got this while I was in Bali. It's really cool. And then I've just got a denim jacket over it for like a Canadian tuxedo style look. So I love the idea of like playing with denim and then like the chunky sandals, so like layering denim or layering like denim over other stuff and then chunky sandals. I like the idea with them with shorts as well, because I just feel like the chunkiness makes like your legs look really long and slim, and it's a vibe. Third look is just keeping it kind of really like basic on top almost, and then letting the sandals like do the talking, if that makes sense. So I've got this like midi dress from Nasty Gal over like a vintage Harley Davidson crop top, and I'm just going to wear it with literally just with silver hoops. So the top of your outfit's very like grunge, subtle, basic, and then the shoes are like statement. But also I feel like they give you girly grunge vibes as well, which I feel like this outfit will like totally be like portraying girly grunge vibes. Yeah, so I'm obviously gonna slide along the outfits as I go. Oh, also I was wearing those with like the, you know, what would you call these? Are these like 90s or like Y2K? I don't know. But like these frames for like, but like I can't actually like wear them like this. I feel like I look like an idiot, but they're more a picture frame. They're not a real wearing in real life kind of sunglass, I don't feel. But personal preference. So yeah, that's the outfits I'll be taking pictures of with these shoes, how I'll be styling them up. But obviously that's just my personal preference. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. I've ordered quite a few things and I'm going to be kind of unboxing them in this kind of way, so like unboxing and then how I would style them. I've got a Lucy and Yak like dungaree shorts on its way, which I'm so excited to get. I love Lucy and Yak stuff, and this is my first piece I'm going to have owned by them, and I'm really excited for it. So I'm going to do a styling video with that, and I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, if you did, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.